Well, what happened? How'd we fare? And what do we plan to do about it? Well, I thought this video, do something a little bit different. Talk about 3 things. How 2021 went, how our YouTube stats turned out, and what's the plan for 2022. 2021, first year on YouTube really. Started shooting videos in December 2019. Didn't really get going until January. Really took it that serious. But in that we did quite a bit. We got north trees planted. They're all evergreens. They're babies, but they're quick growers. On the north side of the fence, once they start going, they'll really block that north wind, help keep things a little warmer on this side of it. We did a bunch of gardening. By a bunch, I mean mostly house decorative, stuff like that. Out front and in our parking spot. Made a nice raised bed. Had some vegetables off it. Gonna plant it again in the spring. But really that's going to turn into a decorative pot there. What else we get done around here? We dug our first pond. Dug my first pond I've ever done. It holds water, so I count that as a success. It does, slightly leak water and it's fairly shallow, so it evaporates fairly quickly, but better than it was. That whole area out there was real bumpy. Everywhere pretty much held 1 to 3 inches of water. Got your boots wet no matter where you walked out there. So at least now it drains into one spot, holds for most of the year. Ducks sure do seem to love it. So that's a positive. Got some improvements here in the shop. Got the fabrication corner working out pretty good. Along with the carpentry corner, the miter saw station, and cabinets. It's helping out quite a bit already with just storage. It's got quite a bit of ways to go before it's done, but it's definitely on the right track. Probably my biggest project ever was the pole barn. At least by square footage, that's the biggest thing I've ever built. It turned out pretty good. Just one person can't do it. Just takes some time. Got to go up and down ladders, moving ladders a lot, but it's working out pretty good. What else do we do? Let's see. Oh, last big thing is we got sheep there at the end of the year. You haven't seen a video of it yet, but they arrived the last day, December 31st. There at nighttime, got them in right at dusk. They went right to their house pretty much the next morning. We let them out of the trailer. They've been doing great ever since. Well, for the last week, right? So working out pretty good there. So pretty excited. So how'd I do on YouTube? Kind of question about doing this video in general, plus also doing YouTube stats, but some channels I follow and really like and subscribe to, they seem to do this once a year, and it kind of inspired me to even start YouTube, so I thought I would join along and participate in the activities. So let's see. Again, really just about a year on YouTube. In that time, I did 30 videos. I got 225 subscribers on the channel. With about 15,400 views with 650 total hours of view time. I'm pretty impressed with that. I imagine there's other channels out there that get way bigger growth and way more view time and all that stuff, but I'm really proud of it. I'm happy y'all are watching along and subscribing. It makes me smile each time I think about it, so I thank y'all for that. So what's the plan for 2022? Well, I'm going to continue to make videos. Hopefully buckle down on another layer and put them out more regularly. My goal is to put out 2 major videos about 5 to 10 minutes long on a project or an enhancement every 2 weeks. I can't figure it out yet, but it's probably going to be every Tuesday, every Thursday, or every other Tuesday, every other Thursday. That's the goal. Within that time, I'm also going to try to put out what I call a silent film or a little short to kind of fill in that gap, so that I'm pretty much putting out a video every week, but really every 2 weeks for the major ones. That's my goal. I'll see if I can stick to it. As far as projects go, we have a wide variety of things, like usual, that I hope to accomplish here in 2022. Let's see what some major ones are. Probably the biggest one for the homestead is actually getting a bigger vegetable garden laid down. Again, the one in front is really, it was temporarily for vegetables, but it's really more for decorative long term. So out back by the pole barn will be the long-term one. For now, we'll just lay out raised beds, but eventually we'll have a whole greenhouse stuff set up. That's probably in 2023, if not 2024, for the greenhouse. Next big one, too, is digging a well. I definitely want to get some sort of water other than a pond or the city water on the property. I already got the shallow hand well pump items ordered. Just got to figure out where I'm going to put it. But really my main goal is to actually dig a real well with a windmill water pump and a water tower. That's my big goal to get it done. Whether we can do it or not, it's all about finances and timing, right? Material costs, but I'm hoping to do that towards the end of summer into fall. That'd be great for us. Other more minor things, kind of fill in the gaps as I get tired with those large projects. It's just general enhancements to our animal shelters and general infrastructure, making our day-to-day lives, managing our animals just easier, that much easier. So I don't know, things from small feeders like hay bale feeders to wall hangers to water lines, that sort of stuff. So that's definitely on the docket. When it comes to home improvements, definitely got the little new kiddo coming along. So we'll probably have some projects there, some bookshelves, maybe a cheap bed frame, just something that's nice and sturdy but doesn't cost a bunch of money for new parents. To even maybe a big project of finally putting a roof over the patio out back. I won't be able to finish the whole entire patio, but maybe at least get 3/4 of it done for nice seating. Getting to watch those rainy storms come in sure would be nice. If we do that, probably won't finish electrical on that because that's a whole nother endeavor, but if I got the structure up, that would be a pretty big accomplishment. Then lastly, the shop still needs more to improve on. Miter saw station needs to be finished. I want to build an outfeed table for the table saw, make some tools for the metal fabrication corner, stuff like that. So I think 2022's got a pretty big year, both personally, homestead, and fabrication wise. So I'm pretty excited. Definitely appreciate all y'all joining along. It makes me smile every time I think about it. Can't believe I got this many people subscribed to this little channel. So I appreciate each and every one of y'all. I definitely like hearing from you. I like hearing about the products you guys got planned or want to do. Just makes my day talking to you. So it'd be really cool if we could figure out some way to get to share your projects on this channel with other people. I think that'd be cool. So let's figure out how to do that. Well, appreciate y'all. Thanks for making a great 2021 and looking forward to 2022. Y'all come back now.